Hey, happy Saturday. Uh, Kim is making something.
Pork tenderloin
Pork tenderloin.
with veggies.
I see. Anyways, as you can see, this is not necessarily a home video tour, so the reason for this video is just to stay in touch with you guys and tell you a bit about us. So I started my own channel and kind of telling my life story. I will put a link at the end of this video if you want to follow it. It's woodworking, and Kim will start hers. She ordered a camera, a POV camera, to do videos about her cooking and gardening and some crochet. So but that channel is not up yet, but we're gonna be working on this. Kim has got a whole bunch of plants, our greenhouse, and one thing I wanted to say is we're very grateful that you guys have been with us for the past, I think it's been 9 years, and it just keeps growing considering that we never ask anyone to subscribe. I mean, we're very, very grateful. But I often see questions about us, and I don't want to, we don't have a problem sharing, but we want to keep this particular channel as homes, because that's what it is. But anyways, my shop. So I'm not gonna make more videos for this channel about this. It's basically the channel is Area 51. Again, I'm gonna put a link, but and I'm growing some stuff in my shop too. I'm learning this, and I'm making videos, but this is kind of boring because I don't know what I'm doing. So I decided through the process I'm gonna tell my life story. Since I'm from Argentina, I came to Canada illegally, and trust me, it's a story that you'll want to hear. Yeah, it was a nightmare. I got arrested by immigration 3 times. I escaped 3 times. I've been homeless 3 times. I didn't have any skills or any English, and I decided I wanted to become a photographer for a major newspaper. And believe it or not, I achieved that in 6 weeks. And anyways, if you're interested in any of that, here is a channel. Other than that, thanks for being here, and we love you all. We'll catch up with you soon. Ciao.